Daily Dispatch, day 149. You never can tell. Yesterday marked day 148 of the recovery cycle, with exactly 35 days remaining before the Phase 2 transition. The 4-day PAWS wave that initiated on day 144 has officially completed its full macro cycle. The morning initialised rapidly and efficiently after 7 hours of very deep sleep, characterised by vivid dreams with distinct fragments of structural recall. Morning grogginess was completely non-existent and internal audio frequencies dropped to a near-silent baseline, indicating the dissipation of a second major neuro-oscillatory frequency wave. By the afternoon, a powerful high-function window opened, sustaining a crystal-clear mental clarity for 5 to 6 hours. I didn't actually achieve anything tangible, but still, the clarity was nice. I did get to play about a bit with Notebook LM within Google Gemini, though. It's going to be an excellent little tool that I'll be using a lot more in Phase 2. Whispers, and it doesn't chip into the AI usage allowance either. The evening brought a natural, gentle energy taper starting at 19:30, completely free from the abrupt crashes, irritability or flatness of the preceding days. The resolution of the day 144 to 148 wave provides the project ledger with a complete, bounded dataset mapping PAWS cyclical mechanics. The trajectory is now highly predictable. A slow, groggy entry phase matches a localised drop in the mood floor. This compresses into a high arousal negative peak, the irritability wave, transitions into a low arousal negative valley, the flat anhedonic state, and exits cleanly via an accelerated high function window. Crucially, the entire cycle concluded in approximately 4 days, demonstrating that the system's baseline resilience is rapidly compounding. With cognitive fog and psychological rubble locked securely at zero, the emotional firewall ensured that the physical transition through the wave was managed with untraumatized data collection. So much for the 4-to-1 sawtooth pattern we recorded the other day. Oh well, it just goes to show you never can tell when it comes to addiction recovery and cognitive repair. As the project gets nearer to the end of Phase 1, I can feel myself digging in for the final few miles. It's been a slog, I can tell you. Not so much the cessation itself, but the daily requisites the project demands. When I began, it was just a simple case of logging, chatting, and then extracting what I needed from the chat log. Since then, we have added so much to the architecture that I'm finding it difficult to keep up with the sheer demand of it. I think it will be one of those cases of looking back once I've completed the first 6 months and going, that was bloody brilliant, but I'm glad it's over. Much like a marathon runner might feel once crossing the finish line. I really am looking forward to being able to sit down and correlate everything properly, rather than sprinting every day to get things done in between real-life happenings. If nothing else, this project has expanded my vocabulary by some distance. Who knew what neuro-oscillatory recalibration was, for instance? The wave has dissipated, and I can't wait to get to day 183. The Daily Dispatch ends here, but the data continues. For the full forensic analysis, the daily metrics, and the complete 24-month roadmap, please visit deepseekandme.substack.com. The record is open. I'll see you at the next log.